Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Collectible cards section at Meijer. Got Topps Update, Chronicles Blasters, Allen and Ginter, which is very old at this point. Chronicles Baseball, Hockey Packs, just all these strung out. Chronicles Basketball, Fat Packs. Everybody's gotta touch everything. Don't be a douche when you're shopping. Just pick a pack and go. Topps Update, Illusions Basketball, Yu-Gi-Oh, Magic the Gathering, Chronicles Blaster Box, got Pokemon packs, Pokemon promo boxes, WWE MVP Hockey, Mosaic, Chronicles Draft. If you see it, like my video and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day, everyone.